My desire, my strategic goal is that America becomes so drone dominant.
All right, on you, go.
And so drone lethal that nobody wants to go to war with us.
Troops in contact. Follow.
Before you send a human being inside.
Camera in to the west side of the objective. Push in, pull security on that side.
Clear props.
Putting those teams together, force on force, and seeing who comes out on top.
But as we've learned from Crucible 1, we need to keep things simple.
Clear.
America drone dominant as quickly and safely as possible. Further long range, night ops, a boat in the water, those kind of things. That's complexity we didn't have just a few months ago.
Because at the end of the day, time and accuracy are the most important things. These are the quick turnarounds we wanted, and that's what we stand for.
And it's going to be a clear hold and repel a counterattack. So it's going to be a direct action mission or a raid on a known enemy objective.
Make breach and move in together. We secure that room and then securing the objective from there.
And announce that the building is clear and objective is secure. There will more than likely be enemy QRF that's going to respond, where you will then respond with a drone to neutralize the threat.
Kill, that was good.
What the teams are going to do is they're going to pack all the charges with C4. They're going to get their M6 electric blasting caps, and they're going to fly 2.5 kilometers.
It's not just how fast and how good you can do it one time, it's did you learn from the mistakes and can you improve upon that?